In today's competitive landscape, strong customer relationships are the lifeblood of successful businesses. Without nurturing these connections, growth and loyalty may struggle, threatening your organization's stability. Over 91% of businesses with sizable teams utilize a CRM system for effective relationship management. Shockingly, 43% of CRM users are not fully harnessing its features, leading to missed opportunities. The average ROI per CRM engagement sits at $8.71, but proper implementation can skyrocket returns to 211%. What's the secret to unlocking the full potential of your CRM tools? Let's dive in. CRM software presents diverse options tailored to the unique needs of different businesses and teams. Yet, they all share core features crucial for enhancing customer interactions and managing sales processes. At the heart of every CRM is customer data management, crucial for centralizing essential information. This ensures team members access accurate, up-to-date information and maintain records of every customer interaction. Personalization becomes achievable when teams have a complete view of customer history and preferences at their fingertips. Tracking interactions reveals vital insights into the customer journey, spotlighting behavior that can guide decision-making. Workflow automation within your CRM streamlines operations while freeing up resources to focus on growth. Imagine automating email campaigns and alerts, allowing your team to prioritize strategic initiatives instead. Advanced reporting and analytics convert stored data into actionable insights, driving data-informed decisions. These insights enable the identification of patterns, helping businesses adjust strategies in real time. Integration with other essential tools creates a holistic view of customer engagement and operational efficiency. Imagine leveraging email, social media, and accounting software to understand the entire customer lifecycle. A CRM improves customer relationships by presenting a complete view of interactions and preferences. Enhanced communication within your organization leads to a seamless customer experience, eliminating information silos. With tools like Capsule, team members can comment on records, enhancing internal communication. Streamlined sales processes arise when CRMs automate routine tasks, enabling teams to make more informed decisions. Sales teams gain the ability to visualize pipelines, prioritize leads, and manage cycles with agility. Greater operational efficiency from centralized data empowers teams to maximize productivity and focus on growth. Sales and marketing alignment becomes clearer, drastically boosting effectiveness in closing deals and retaining clients. Powerful analytics generate a treasure trove of insights for future planning, helping businesses stay ahead. CRM systems not only gather data, but also provide a roadmap for strategic decision-making and growth. To truly excel, businesses must recognize and adapt their CRM tools according to unique challenges they face. Implementing targeted customer retention strategies builds lasting loyalty while addressing churn issues promptly. Continuous monitoring of customer behavior fosters deeper connections, allowing for tailored engagement initiatives. A strong CRM can turn lost deals into opportunities through smart competitor monitoring and strategizing. Embrace the power of a CRM system and watch as your customer relationships flourish and profits soar.